monsoon storm causes havoc in Metro Phoenix. The storm first hit the East Valley, causing damage around Mesa. According to the Mesa Fire and Medical Department, a mobile home park near McKellips Road and Mesa Drive suffered severe storm damage on Wednesday evening, with several awnings blown away and power lines down. A large gash still sporting some dried blood could be seen on Ricketts' neck, one that required stitches amid the night's chaos. The severe thunderstorm and dust storm coming from the southeast hit several parts of Metro Phoenix, bringing heavy downpours, winds over 60 miles per hour and lightning, according to the National Weather Service. Mesa fire units and Mesa police responded to the location to search for people injured in the storm, but no patients were found, the fire department said. Utilities were secured and the Red Cross was available to assist residents who lost power, the department said. At about 10:30 p.m., the monsoon storm reached the western parts of the valley. According to the Phoenix Fire Department, the erratic storm pushed a fence fire into a home near 35th and Dunlap Avenues in Phoenix. Firefighters found the fire and went into the house to search for victims while other fire units attacked the blaze from the back of the residence and extinguished the flames, the department said.
This limb that broke out of our tree actually is moving down the street. I guess I better go back cleaning that one up. Holy smack, now that's a storm. That is a storm. That's ridiculous. Stuff moving all over the place. My goodness, species a lot. Whoa, this is some bad. This is bad. This is bad. I can't even see out there.